Hey y'all, what is good? It is your girl Nai. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, I am showing you my nighttime skincare routine, which was highly requested. So if you're interested, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. So as you can see, I do have on some makeup, which is kind of hard to tell because your girl did a no makeup look. If you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out. So the face is cleansed, the body is cleansed. If you guys would like to know how I take my makeup off or my feminine hygiene routine, please be sure to check out the videos that I link above for you. So I'm just taking this Laneige sleeping mask. Y'all already know that is my jam. Alright sis, let's start off this skincare. So I'm going in with this Pixi Glow Tonic Toner. It is so good and I love it. Now I'm going in with this Pixi Essence, and your girl got dry skin, so that is my first layer of hydration. So I'm just going to rub that in and pat it into my skin so it could absorb better. Now I'm going in with this Teamy Vitamin C Serum and focusing that on the areas where I have the acne scars to help lighten them up. With this Too Faced Hangover RX Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and this is another layer of hydration for my skin, and I love the scent on that. It smells so good. It smells like coconuts, but it's not too overpowering. Now that the serum is absorbed, I am taking this 24 karat gold facial oil, and I love this facial oil. It helps moisturize my skin, and I'm going to follow up with my jade roller, and y'all know I love my jade roller. Now that that is done, I like to go in with an eye cream. The one I am using is from Ole Henriksen. It helps moisturize and brighten underneath my eyes, and then I'm going to follow up with my jade roller. Before I put my jade roller back into my skincare fridge, I like to clean it with some alcohol so the next time I use it, it'll be clean. Before going in with a night cream, I like to go in with a sleeping mask for extra hydration. The one I'm going in with is from Olay, and then I'm going to follow up with my night cream, which is from e.l.f. and it is super good, nice and thick and moisturizing. Thought I was done? Nope. Can't forget my facial sprays. I love my facial sprays. This helps seal in all the moisture and plus give me extra moisture because that is what I need because your girl got dry skin. And the one I'm going in with is from Mahdeo, the one in the lavender scent. I like to go in with the lavender scent before I go to bed because it just helps ease my mind and it's super soothing. After going ham with my facial spray, I like to take my handheld fan to speed up the drying process. So after my face is dry, I like to pat those products in to help absorb into my skin. And I know my face still looks wet, but it's not. That's what hydration looks like. And I go to bed like this every night and wake up to my skin just glowing, honey, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Also, comment down below what is your nighttime skincare routine or what is your skincare routine in general. Let's chat, sis, and I'll see you guys in the next one.